Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to learn about the model driven app, which is one type of Power App. So before that, if you want to learn any specific topic about Power Apps, let me know in the comments so that I'll post the video regarding that. So without further delay, let's get into the video. இதை நீங்கள் தமிழில் காண விரும்பினால் டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் செக் பண்ணி பாருங்க. There are two types of Power Apps. The one is Canvas app and the other one is model driven app. I have already built the Canvas app. So if you want to see that video, I have shared the link in the descriptions. Now we will build the model driven app. So the model driven app accepts only the Dataverse table as a data source, unlike the Canvas app which accept all the sources like data sources. Okay, so to build the model driven app, first we need to create the Dataverse table. Let's create the Dataverse table. I have already created the table, so let's go to the table. Okay, the table name is school. It is a custom table. Okay, yeah. So to know how to create the Dataverse table, so I have already posted the video. I'll also share the link in the description. Please check it. So let's see the columns, which are the what are the columns that I have created the. So there are these are the custom columns which I have created. So and all the other columns are default columns. Once you created the custom columns, it will automatically create it. Okay. So in the to develop the app, it is the proper way to start from the solution. So let's create the solution here. So let's keep the solutions as my model driven solve, and let's keep the publisher as like maybe a default publisher, and let's create it. Okay. Yeah, here in the table we have already created the table. If you have already created the table, we have add from existing table, and if you want to create a new table, we can create from here. So now we will add the existing table. We'll search a school here. Yeah, we can import this. Next, add. Okay. Yeah, now we have add the table here. So to start with, we have to design the form and the view of the app. So to design that, we need to get into the table. So we'll just go to the forms. Mainly we'll see the main form. So there are also other forms available. Okay. Yeah, so these are the like fields for the forms. Let's hide the owner name, so I don't want to see that. So I think these are all, this looks good, so I think we can keep it as it is, and we'll just maybe, yeah, I think it looks fine. Yeah, okay, so we'll just save and publish it. Yeah, I think it's saved. So let's modify the views here. Okay, let's go to the view. Okay, yeah, we can also go from here, views. Okay, I'll go to the, there are so many list of views, so I'll go to the active views. So I just need these columns to be viewed in the app. So I can also, if you want to add any other field, I can also add that. Like if you want to add maybe the exchange rate, I'll add that. Maybe if you want to see the like status, you can add the status column. And okay, then we can just save and publish it. So these are the like active column, like active view has been set. So let's go to the table and just create an app. It is the easiest way to create an app. So just give the name for the app, like I'll say the demo model ribbon, like okay, yeah, let's create it. It will take so few time. Yeah, here there is a group and subarea. I think we don't need this, we'll remove that. So we'll just okay, yeah, these are the forms and these are the form, these are the view. Okay, if you want to change the name group one as like maybe any name like school, I'll just rename it and save it. Yeah, this is the form, this is the like view. Okay, let's save and play it. Yeah, this is the model driven app, and if you want to enter, we can enter the form here. And like this is the primary column, school name is a primary column, and the phone number which accept only the phone numbers. And yeah, here we can enter like this. Let's set the condition here, like if I want to choose a public school as a true, then it will allow me to enter only the zero value, or it will allow the zero value. If I select a false, it will allow me to enter the values more than 0. So how can we set this? So for this we need to go to go to the table, and like we can modify the business rule here. Okay, we can just yeah, here is a business rule, and we need to add one business rule. So let me select here. Just need to add the entity. The field name should be like is public school. Yeah, here is his public school, equal to the value is true. If the value is true, then we need to field value. Okay, the value is true, like then the annual tuition fee will be 0. Add this. Okay, applied. There must be another thing, it is not to be an edited one, so we can disable editing. So just go here and select currency, yeah, annual tuition fees. Okay, it's locked. Applied. Okay, but if condition is not set here, I'll just go and select is public school, yeah, equal to true. Apply. Yeah, now it is yeah, it is available here. Okay, let's yeah, it is available here now. It's working. Applied. I can validate. Yeah, it's working. And let me save it. Yeah, now we will get back to the app. Let's publish the table. It will take some time to now reflect in the application, so let's go back and refresh it. Let's see the status. Oh, the status is off. Okay, we need to switch on the status. Will go here. turn on. Okay, now the status is turn on. Let's refresh so that it will get reflect here. Okay, let's select the true. Yeah, now the value is 0 and it is disabled, we cannot edit that. Okay, so there is also another condition I need to put, so which means the school name should not be repeated, which means the school name should be unique. So to make that conditions, like let's see, like if we have Hilltop school, it's already there. Now if I enter all the values, if I save, close, it will accept, because I don't set the rules to you know to stop to restrict the duplication. To stop the duplication of a school name, we just need to go back to the table and create the key. Let's delete this and let's go back to the table. Yeah, here, yeah, there is a name called keys. It is an alternative key, so we need to create the key for the specific column. Like we can name, yeah, restrict school name. Yeah, we'll just name it as a restrict school name and select the school name that should be unique one. So let's save it and let's wait for the status to be active. So let's publish and wait for it. So yeah, that's one condition. If the value is already repeated, values are already there, it will be not active. So we have to remove the repeated values and we have to refresh it to get active. Yeah, now it is active. Okay, yeah, I think we don't have any repeated values there. Now we'll go and test it. Okay, yeah, now we'll create the new one. I'll type the Hilltop school. Let's see. Yeah, okay, so now it is not like allowing us to enter the value, which means that Hilltop school is already available. So this is how we can just restrict the repeated values. So let's get into the other features. Like here there are so many features like search, and we can also um, uh, like uh, um, like specific search is that this search will be in the school name, and there are also different okay, yeah, it is an example of like we can search here. So it will start from, like, there is no name starts from school, so it won't work. So if we want to just group by, we can just group by it. Maybe there are two false, there are four trues, and this is how we can just now let's ungroup it. Okay, we can also export as a Excel one, and there are so many formats we can export it. Let's export. Yeah, this is how it will get export. There is also bulk import options, like in CSV format and XML format we can also import. Okay, let's go to the chart. So this is the chart we can just show here. Let's go to the table and create another chart. Let's go to the chart here and open the chart. So it is the chart we have already created. So let's create the new chart. So here you can just like design your chart as per your requirement. Let me just create a sample chart. Yeah, here I think when we refresh it, we'll get the chart what we have already created. Yeah, there is a two chart what we have created here. Yeah, this is how we can show the chart here. And there is yeah, this is how we can show the chart here. And so this is how we can build the model driven app. And there are like features like so many inbuilt features are there which are so seamless to use it, which which is not available in the Canvas app. In the Canvas app we have to design by our own. So if you have any questions or any topics to learn about the Power Apps, let me know in the comments so that we will post the video. In the next video, we will learn how to connect indirectly connect the other data sources in the model driven app, and also I will post the video based on the difference between the Canvas app and the model driven app. Thank you for watching.